Hey guys, right now at home you might be feeling like your color is not held up, like you don't want to wash your hair, that you can't get out of your pajamas, right? So we have some things that we can show you that will help you make your hair feel cleaner and make you go longer washes so you don't have to wash your hair every day. As soon as you wash your hair, if you blow dry it, blow dry it. If you let it air dry, however long that takes. But it's really ideal to actually spray dry shampoo that same day. It acts as a preventative. Think of your deodorant before you sweat, you put it on to prevent that. Same thing with dry shampoo. So instead of waiting till the next day when oil is already built up throughout the night, it's a great idea to do it right away. Okay, when you're using dry shampoo, you want to use about a can's distance away from where you're spraying. So you avoid spraying too close to your scalp so you don't see any of the white powder that comes out of the can. The whole point of this aerosol is to make you have a clean, fresh feeling. So just use the can's distance away and you'll be in a good spot. All right, when you're using your dry shampoo, there's some definite hot spots, meaning that they get more oily than other parts of your scalp. So I wanna show you what those hot spots are now. All right, so when you first start using your dry shampoo, the best rule of thumb is to always lift the section of hair that you're going to spray before you spray it, so you have direct contact with that root. After you spray your hot spots, make sure you go underneath your scalp and shake it a bit, just so it helps to absorb into your roots and it feels clean and it actually gives you a little more volume. So those of you that really crave like a clean feeling type of volume, these products are amazing for you. All right, so in the morning, you're gonna spray this again. You're gonna wake up, you're either going to use your hands, a wide tooth comb, or a paddle brush. Depending on what type of hairstyle you have, either would work. If you have naturally curly hair, most likely you're gonna just use your hands. And if you have more of a smooth style, either a wide tooth comb or a paddle brush would be great. So spray, shake, and then comb through if you have a smooth style with your comb or paddle brush. If you have curly hair, I usually have curly hair that's natural, I'll just shake it with my hands and then I'll be ready to start my day. Thanks for watching my tips on dry shampoo. I hope you learned something. Bye guys, thank you.